Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making quiche Lorraine. We need pie crust, 3 eggs, 6 bacon, 1.5 cup of Swiss cheese, 1 tin evaporated milk, half cup of onions, black pepper, salt, and nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon each. Mix your eggs together. And then you're gonna mix all your ingredients together, your milk, your cheese, eggs, everything. You're gonna mix it together and you're gonna pour it into the pie crust, and then you're gonna bake it for 35 minutes in a 350 degrees oven, and or till it comes out, till you put a knife in and the knife comes out clean. So I'm mixing everything together. You can make your own pie crust or you can buy pie crust from the store, it doesn't matter. So mix everything together. Put your bacon in. This is 6 slices of bacon. Add it to it, mix it together. And we're gonna pour it in our pie crust dish. This is 9-inch pie crust. And you're gonna put it in the oven for 35 minutes or till a knife goes in and comes out clean. So put it in the oven, then let it bake. So it's been 35 minutes. Our quiche Lorraine is ready and it's out. I thank you for watching. I hope you tried. You could eat it for breakfast, you could eat it for brunch, and so I hope you enjoy. Bon appetit. Be safe out there and hope to see you next time.